Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be checking out this 4-in-1 charger from Rorry. If you guys remember, they have sent out some stuff before, like their little power banks, but this is a 4-in-1 charging block. It is 3 USB ports, 2 of which are USB-C, 1 of which is USB-A, and then it is a watch charger, so an Apple Watch charger. 3.3 watts on the watch charger, and then here are the charging specifications on the ports right there for the 2 USB-Cs. You can see all the different listed specifications right there, and of course, like I said, it is 35 watts shared between all that. Go ahead and pop it open here. And this one is in black. I think they have a white one as well, if I remember correctly. But just a standard little charger. And then, so there's the front right there. Plug into the wall like that. Has the drop-down watch charger right there. So when it's in the wall, your watch sits on there. You can fold that up. And then on the bottom right here is where the ports are. So you have USB-A and then 2 USB-Cs. So excellent little charger for traveling, stuff like that. You know, you can plug it in, you know, on a nightstand, you know, bathroom outlet at a hotel, something like that. Charge up all your gadgets. Have your watch on there, charged up and ready to go. No need to carry an extra cable for the watch, and it's all right here in the adapter. So that is from Rorry right there. Again, 35 watts. I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can pick this up on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.